Hello everyone. Welcome all of you to Grade 9 English of Miss Tao in the Super Memory for Schools program. Today, we learn Unit 7, Saving Energy, Lesson 2, Write and Language Focus. Today, we continue to learn Unit 7, Saving Energy, Writing and Language Focus. Alright, let's discover new vocabulary and grammar together and see what we have today. Solid waste. Single printed paper, draft. About the grammar, today we study connectives. They are and, or, but, however, so or therefore, because, as, since. Dear beloved students, let's start to uncover the new words. Solid waste. Look at the garbage bin. You can throw metal, glass, papers in this garbage bin. We can throw paper, glass, metal, and plastic in this garbage bin. They are solid waste. Single printed paper. We can save paper by using single printed paper. We can save paper by reusing those that have been printed on one side. How can? Or can we use single printed paper for drafting? We use a single printed paper for drafting. Draft. Today, all the vocabulary is really simple and easy to learn, right? We have 3 new words: solid waste, single printed paper, draft. Next, I would like to introduce to you the grammar of connectives. Today, we have these connectives as and, or, but, however, so or therefore, because or as or since. Now let's start to discover the connectives together. And I like chicken and chips. And. Or would you like milk tea or coffee? Or. But. I love to play soccer, but I have to complete my homework. I extremely like to play soccer, but I have to finish my homework. But. However, I love to play soccer. However, I have to complete my homework. I extremely like soccer, but I have to finish my homework. However and but are synonymous, but however is different from but because of using punctuation. You look at my example sentences. In front of however is a period. After however is a comma, or a semicolon stands in front however. After however is a comma. So or therefore, it is raining heavily, so he can't play outside. It is raining heavily, therefore, he can't play outside. It is raining heavily, therefore, he can't play outside. It is similar to but and however, so and therefore also have the same meaning. But therefore is distinguished with so by using punctuation. In front of therefore is a period. After it is a comma, or a semicolon stands in front therefore. After it is a comma. Please remember these points carefully. The final connective words in this lesson are because, as, since. These 3 words you have studied very thoroughly in Unit 6. Do you remember, don't you? He can't play outside because it rains heavily. He can't play outside because it rains heavily. You can replace because with as or since. Our lesson today are totally easy, aren't they? Now let's revise vocabulary and grammar. Dear student, today we have 3 new words to concentrate. They are solid waste, single printed paper, draft. About the grammar part, these are all you need to remember about the connectives. These connectives include and, or, but, however, so therefore, because, as, since. it is the end of the lesson. I wish you all the best in your studying time. I hope to see you again in the next English class of Miss Tao of the Super Memory for Schools program. Goodbye and see you later.